Earlier this summer, Bollinger Motors unveiled its B1 all-electric sport utility truck. The high-end off-roader masterfully combines retro looks and rugged usefulness with the latest in battery-electric powertrain technology. The two-door truck has a configurable cab that allows for an open bed, or an enclosed cabin with a second row of seating. Now the company is showing the first image of a four-dour version of the B1, in orange, no less. The addition of two rear doors adds 9 inches to the wheelbase and overall length, for a total of 114 and 159 inches, respectively. It also adds 6 cubic feet of cargo room for a total of 101 cubic feet. Ground clearance is unchanged, as are approaching departure angles. Breakover angle suffers a bit from the added length, at 31 degrees, down from 33. We always wanted to make a four-door version of the B1, and our assistant designer Ross Compton and I developed a great sketch, says Bollinger Motors designer and CEO Robert Bollinger. The vehicle still has great proportions and its amazing off-road capabilities remain intact since we only had to stretch the chassis by 9 inches. Both the 2- and 4-door versions of the Bollinger B1 will be available with 60 kWh or 100 kWh battery options. That orange paint color, which we actually quite like, will indeed be available at launch. Please thumbs up this video and subscribe. Thanks for the support.